Yeah, something's done. You ready for bread? All right, let's do it. Yeah. My first one that I've made in like 2 months. It's crazy. Oh yeah, oh, she looks good. It's amazing how you can take things for granted and then not have them and then have them back and you just value it so much more. It was almost 2 years that I went without a kitchen. I didn't have much countertop space or cabinetry, so I had a folding table in the kitchen. I had a temporary sink and thankfully a microwave, fridge, and oven that were still operating. But I just had some countertop space to work with and just kind of dealt with it. I had heard some horror stories from friends who had used contractors, and some of them were that they bid too high, they felt like they were being taken advantage of, they didn't take the time to talk to them or really listen to them about what it is that they want and offer different types of ideas, just collaborate more or less. My experience with Hammer Falls was amazing. It exceeded my expectations. I had a good feeling the first time I had met the guys and we talked about what the plan was with the kitchen. And then once things took off and the more that we conversated about what it is I wanted and then they suggested their ideas, the more we collaborated, the more I was blown away. Communication and scheduling was pretty much 100%. They were really good about telling me what to look forward to, what was up and coming as far as what type of work was being done, who was going to be at my house, and a general idea of what time. So I really appreciated that. It helped set me up for success as far as knowing how to prepare for them to be in my home. We just did a really good job of communicating. The first thing I made when I got my kitchen back was popcorn in the microwave for my son, Kellen. He loved it. He said it was the best tasting popcorn he's ever had. Probably one of my most favorite things is the wine and beverage fridge that the guys installed in my island for me. I love it. I love the backsplash. I love that we did it all the way up to the ceiling. It looks real seamless and clean. And then I would say the pendant lights, they turned out better than I anticipated. They reflect onto the ceiling when they're on and it's really cool. It's a nice little added feature that I didn't know about, but I love it. Oh yeah, oh, she looks good. She looks good. Oh yeah, oh, she looks good. I want to tell everybody how much I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm gonna miss y'all and seeing you every day. But I feel like I've gained some friends through you guys and you're all amazing. Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you.